Is anybody here? Here. Hey, I'm in this midday money movers with Andrew Keene on Vimeo, and there's not one person in here. Mm-hmm. There's nobody in here.
Okay. All right. Let me check it.
Oh, wait, hold on. No, there are two people in here.
All right. Let me make sure the alert went out. But if not, it'll be there in just a second.
Okay.
All right, bye.
What's going on? Oh, we're live. Okay. The Vimeo was having issues with how many people how many people are in here. So I can't really tell how many people are in here. So what's going on? How's everybody doing? AK in the house. Today, wow, what a market sell-off today. And, is there more downside? And I didn't see this selling off today. We have end of the quarter here in about 4 trading days. So I want to go through some possible trade setups or signals you can put on in your account right now that I do like. I do like Trip. Let me go to NTR. NTR is down to 70. I like these at 60. Let me see if we can get some at 60. So, more than selling this, I'm actually looking to buy some dips here. I have a specific name of stocks that I'm looking for here. G-Dot, let me look at these. These are like 60. No, gee, that's so expensive. AMAT down, Trip down, GDS down, NTR, Dell. So if you guys have any questions as I go through here, just ask any questions. Knowledge is power and power is knowledge. But there's a couple signals that I want to show you guys that we can put on today. Okay, so let's go in here and look at possible signals that you can put in your trading account right now, okay? So if you guys like stuff that's a little bit shorter dated, that can spike a lot or sell off a lot, this is one signal that I like. And we saw a huge buyer of HOG. So let me get the recording going here. You have about for 30 minutes. If you guys have any questions throughout this presentation, feel free to ask any questions. So what I watch is, I'm a little bit different than everybody else's trading strategy and philosophy, but I watch institutional order flow in the option market. So I watch the biggest traders in the world placing and allocating capital on certain trades. Then I react to these trades in real time live. And then depending if I like the signal or not, I will then put on these signals. So here's a trade that we saw yesterday that if you wanted to, and you believe that we're in a little bit of a bull market here, and we're going to get run up until the end of the quarter, you can buy right now. So this is a trade you can put on right now. So this is going to have higher risk, higher reward because they expire next week, okay? So this is an example of a trade with higher risk, higher reward. These expire next week. But you could buy the HOG July 2nd, 2020, 26.5 calls for 31 cents. If I paid 31 cents, my targets would be 45 and 60. So I always put the targets at 1.5 and 2 times what I pay for the option. So this is an example of a trade for next week, okay? Options have a lot of different Greeks. There's Delta, there's Gamma, there's Theta, there's Vega. And we see here, this is a signal I saw yesterday that you can get in a little bit cheaper today. So you can come in here right this second and you can buy the HOG July 2nd, 2020, 26.5 calls for 31 cents. So what I would do here is I'd buy these for 31 cents. Let's say you wanted to buy $500 worth of these calls. You would get, I don't know what that means. So you can get in at 31 cents. You're going to have day orders, then you sell these out at 45 and 60. And this is an example of a trade you can put on right now if you think the market's going to rally and you like this trade, okay? So you can buy the HOG July 2nd, 26.5 calls for 31-cent debit or $31 per one lot. You then would sell them at 45 and 60. Okay, so there's an example. That's going to have high risk, high reward. Another trade, if you like high risk, high reward. This is Juniper, and I'll give you something that's a little bit lower risk, lower reward. So here's another one. These expire in a couple weeks as well. So higher risk, higher reward. Buy the Juniper, 7, 24, 2020, 25.5 calls for 15 cents, 14 cents. Targets, 21 and 28. So here's another signal. You're looking to buy on a pullback today. You're looking to take opportunities of getting long while the market's down. When the market's down, it's on sale. Okay? So you can put on these calls. Okay? So these are Juniper, JNPR, July 10th, 2020, 25.5 calls for 14 cents. Targets, 21 and 28. So you'd have targets at 1.5 and 2 times what you pay for the option. Next one, double D. This is a third signal I'm giving you guys today that you can put on. You can get these for about 70 cents. You can buy the double D, July 24th, 2020, 57.5 calls for 70 cents. Targets would be $1 and $1.40. A third signal here that you can put on if you're bullish the market and you're looking to buy pullbacks. Buy double D, July 24th, 2020, 57.5 calls for 70-cent debit. If you paid 70 cents, targets would be $1 and $1.40. Okay, there's another idea of what you can do on this signal. If you like something a little bit longer dated, I can give you a couple longer dated trades. This is TRIP. Okay, TripAdvisor. Saw a big buyer, institutional order flow in the option market. You could buy the TRIP, September 18th, 2020. 30 calls for 45-cent debit. Targets are always going to be 1.5 and 2 times what you pay for the option. So targets are going to be 65 and 90. TRIP, longer dated play in TripAdvisor. Next one, NTR. NTR. You could buy the NTR, September 18th, 2020, 40 calls for 70 cents. So you come in here, you could buy the NTR, September 18th, 2020, 40 calls for 70-cent debit. Targets are going to be 1 and 1.40. Okay, so here's another example of a trade you can put on immediately if you're looking for ideas to possibly get long the market. Okay, if you're looking for ideas to possibly get long the market, here are a couple ideas. If you guys have any questions as I go through here, feel free to ask questions. Knowledge is power, power is knowledge. Hog getting crushed. Any questions, feel free to ask questions. So let's look at the S&P 500 futures here. So you see the S&P on the daily chart. So here's the S&P. And we got up to about 32.27. So 32.27 is the recent highs. We had that big down day. We got bought. We're going to have another big down day. If we take out 2,900 to the downside, we could get back to 2,550 very quickly. Okay. I think we're in a trading range right here. Okay, I think we're in a trading range between 3,400 and 2,200. So let's put in a trading range. So 3,400. If you want to use stop losses, you can. So if you want to use stop loss at 50% stop loss, you can. So 3,400 plus 2,200 divided by 2. So an exact 50% retracement would be 2,800 level. Okay, so 50% retracement would be 2,800. I would think we'd get a lot of support there. Okay, so just keep that in consideration. But the market really getting hit today. Let me just send out this official signal in the 1450 club. Okay, so what I do is I watch for institutional order flow in the option market. Okay, I'm watching the biggest and best traders in the world place and allocate capital on trades. Okay, so hypothetically speaking, if I knew a stock was going to go from 20 to 30, okay, Hertz, don't care about it. Unusual option activity, I'll show you guys. I've had 16 of the last 17 trades where have been winners. Do you personally buy any of these recommendations? So right now, my following is so big, I do not take any of these trades with my personal account within 24 hours of me calling out the signal. So I have to wait 24 hours to take this trade, but I can take them after 24 hours. That makes sense. Okay, so let's go to the 1450 Club official portfolio. And we did have 2 losing trades. We just had put on a trade here as an official signal in TRIP. So we'll add that to the docket. WKHS, no idea. I saw it was up yesterday to $7. Okay, so let's add this here. So today we had official signal in the TAR right now. TRIP, September 18th. 30 calls, 45 cents. They're worth 50, 65, and 90. We're officially to 141 trades and 104 winners. So 104 divided by 140 is about a 74% win rate here. Okay, so this is an official signal, guys, that we sent out to subscribers in TRIP. What time is the hour trade? I'm not sure what the question means here. Okay. So we launched the 1450 Club trading room on November 25th. So on November 25th, we launched this. We have over 3,000 paid subscribers that watch me trade all day long. Okay. And then we fast forward 8 months. And there's time periods where there's losing trades. It's going to happen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 losers in a row there. 1, 2, 3, 4 losers there. But if you go in here and you look at what it's done since June 1st, so this month we put out, I think it's 26 trades. That's kind of how many winners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 winners, and 1, 2, 3, 5 losers. So this month, guys, the trades that we've sent out for official signals. Dell, yeah, you should have sold it this morning. So Dell should have been sold this morning at about 450. So in June, we had 26 signals. So we had 26 signals. 21 winners and 5 losers. Trading institutional order flow in the option market. Okay? So trading institutional order flow in the option market. I live on the West Coast. What time West Coast is your hour of trading? So it's 6:30 to 7:30. 6:30 to 7:30. So I get up at 5:30. I have my coffee, and then we run project 303. I'll show you the trades for 303. 2 trades, 2 winners. We had a trade in Dell that went up 300%. A lot of subscribers made thousands and thousands of dollars in Dell. Then I come over into the 1450 club room, trade for an hour. Then I do mentoring, and then I'm basically done with my day. So this is June. 26 trades, 21 winners, and 5 losers this month. And yesterday we had 2 losing trades because I was getting low on the market, and these went down in value. So when you come in to become a member of the trading room, and let me go in here. This is everything you can take when you become a member of the trading room. We say, stick to those official scan signals. Okay, we just put out an official scan signal in TripAdvisor to buy the SEP 30 calls. Scan signal, 75% win rate. It's like 74.2. Then we have something called 7-day spikes. This is buying weekly options and then taking advantage of them spiking in the week. After that, we have reverse scan, which is taking advantage of a losing trade. This is everything we go over. We have 2x2 trades and scan ideas. Those are what they are. They're just ideas, guys. Okay, they are not official signals. They're just ideas. Okay. Then we have day trades. I do day trade. Okay. What 1455 magazine? Micron was taken off for a winner. CAH was taken off for a winner. CAR was taken off. Okay. So there's only 4 official trades still on. Then we have day trades. Apple, Amazon, Baba, Facebook, Google, Netflix, Tesla, pullback indicator longs, cloud breakouts, and then we have earnings trades. Tomorrow I will get long Nike, I'll get long KBH, and then we have credit spreads. How do you determine which strikes? It's a very good question. So all I do is watch for institutional order flow in the option market. Then I take the exact same trades that they take. Okay. So this scanner, so I run 3 scanners in the trading room at the same time. This is the one we are allowed to show you. And this shows, this will spit out probably 500 trades in a day. And I'm just waiting for the biggest and best trades from the institution anywhere in the world. Ooh, look at Dow. Dow. Go to Dow. Dow Chemical. Looking at an old signal here for Dow. At 50 cents, I would buy these. So here's another one in Dow. Let me see what they just did here in Dow. DOW. Ooh, they sold calls today. I don't like that. Okay, so Project 303 is something we just launched, and you can watch me trade every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And this is the Project 303 trades. We called a trade in Dell to buy the Dell August 52.5 calls for 150. Today, those went up to $4.50. So if you're in the Project 303, you would have got that signal on Monday and Tuesday, and today they spiked up to 450. So this signal would be up 300%. Also, GDS, we hit a profit target in that one today. August 21st, 90 calls. Said you can buy these for $250. Today they hit a profit target of $375. Okay, take off half your trade, you still have the other half on. Ooh, so we see some more GDS trading here. Okay, so I'm still looking to get long, some longer dated positions. So NTR at 65 cents, I think these are awesome. Those are okay. What settings are you using to scan for institutional order flow? Okay, so I watch 3 scanners throughout the course of the day. This is the scanner I show in the trading room. Okay. When you become a member of the trading room and watch me trade live 4 days a week, you'll get access to view this scanner in real time. This is the only place you can watch a scanner in real time for free. Okay. This shows institutional order flow in the option market. I look at a second scanner. This shows more institutional order flow in the option market. Okay. Then I look at something called Option Hacker. There's only been puts bought today on Option Hacker. So 1, 2, 3, actually ACB calls. This is Option Hacker, and this takes it and strips it from the from Trade Alert. I see one being bought right now at ALKS. So let's go to ALKS. They bought February risk reversals. So ALKS. So I'm looking at ALKS right now. Some traders somewhere in the world came in here, bought calls and sold puts. So 166 and 184. So I'll be looking at buying these in ALKS. So they bought calls, sold puts. So I'm going to put this one on my watch list to possibly get long if this one goes down a lot. So get a chart of it. This is ALKS. Pretty strong here. I'd like a little bit of a pullback here to about the 16 level. So ALKS. You see institutional order flow in the option market. I'm just watching and waiting for opportunities here. Did a little bit of buying today. Bought some more hog calls. I got the method, but I'm trying to figure out how to use it on your platform. So without the scanner, you really can't trade the system, or without the trading room, you're just going to be basically running in circles. Okay, there's nowhere else you can get the scanner to watch this order flow. Okay, it's not available to the public. Someone just bought FISV. These, they're rolling their position up. What does this stock do? FISV. Wow. Fiserv. Yeah, so I would suggest just getting the trading room and then coming in for that hour every day and watching. We have the paid trading room is over 3,000 paid members of it. And you can see, I started with a $5,000 cash account. I'm down today. I'm long this market. I'm mostly down in HOG. I'm down today. I have no problem saying I'm down today. But you look at the overall P&L on a $5,000 cash account, up $31,000. Okay? And this is why I trade this way over and over again. So I'll just let this thing, ooh, look at these glue calls. GLUU, AUG 10. Small order. GLUU. So someone just came in here, bought the GLUU, August 21st, 2020, 10 calls for 90-cent debit. Small order, about 652 lot. Controls about 65,000 shares. So I'm just continuing to watch all this order flow. And usually I'm not at my computer at this time of the day. Usually I'm gone golfing or at the gym. I just wanted to give you guys a special opportunity to kind of watch the scanner in real time live so you can become a member of the 1450 Club room. HAL trading here, nothing new in this. And you can see the market down today. And I'm usually not long the market. Facebook down $7. BABA down. Let's look at SPY straddle. So at the money calls, at the money puts. So we see the 304.5 straddle. So we have one that closes today. So I can look at and figure out how much they're implying the move can be. So you're a member of the trading room. You love it. Great. How do you become a member of the trading room? Good question. So we look at the 304.5 straddle. So at the money calls, at the money puts in the SPY, they're implying about a $25 move between now and the end of the day. So futures are down 78. They're implying the market can rally or sell off 25 points. Then between now and the end of the week, the 304 straddle, at the money calls, at the money puts. Here you go. You can give us a call at 877-518-6908. Live trading room runs Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday for an hour. We also do have mentoring after that. We have over 3,000 paid subscribers. You know, even today, people would tell me how they made thousands. I think some people said $10,000 in Dell. I gave a signal on Friday, on Monday from Dell. And those traders are really crushing it today in Dell, even with the market down. Okay. So this is what you would basically, what it would look like when you become when you become a member of the trading room. You get to watch a scanner. You get to watch my charts, everything in front of you. Let's go to Facebook. Why didn't Fidelity have the full increase for price? The Dell, I'm not seeing it. They're selling max price at the open. I think the high of the day in Dell was 510. Let me see where you could have got out of those Dell calls. Let's see the high of the day here in Dell. The high of the day, I think it was 510. So Dell, the high of the day was 510. So you could have got it at 510. Right now, they're 380. And Dell was actually trading 58 last night. If it opened at 58, those calls would have gone to $8. You sold your Dell at 450, great trade. Yeah, 450 would have been out of 300% profit. So if you guys are interested in learning more about the trading room, we do two things. We have Project 303, which is 30 minutes before the market opens, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday. I give you ideas, 2 for 2 on those trades. Then also, if you want to join the live trading room, which is the biggest one in the world, we run it every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, plus we have mentoring. You can give us a call at 877-518-6908. I'm going to leave it for a couple minutes worth of questions here, and you'll come back every single week at 9 a.m. I'll take you through some trade ideas. I gave you some trades today. HOG at 31 cents. Those are worth 32. I gave you TRIP. Those are 47. I gave you 45. Double D. Could have got those at 70. Those are currently worth 73. So a couple small rolling trades here. BCRX is still on. Micron and CAH was closed about 2 weeks ago. So if you look to see what's still on for official signals for the 1450 Club room, this is it. So HOG, Double D, Juniper, and BCRX. Those are the only positions. You sold Dow for $5. Great. So Project 303 is 30 minutes before the market opens. I give you ideas of trades, but there's no live trading component because it's before the market opens. Project 1450 Club is the trading room live. So you can watch me trade live with the scanner running it in real time. Let me just update this. Any other last minute questions, guys? How about one great big quick trade for today? I gave you 4 trades for today. I think the trip one's the best one. I think the trip one's the best one. I think the trip one's the best one. This is a little bit longer dated. So this is everything I have on. I have $2,975 of risk total. So the S&P is down 2% since we launched the room. 31,675, 31,675. Let me update this. And then we can see here 1450 club trades. Here you go. All right, guys, that is it for me. Make sure you guys sign up for Project 303 or 1450 Club Room. And we will be back next Wednesday live. Get those questions. Knowledge is power, power is knowledge. Get those questions ready for me, and hopefully this market will rebound from here. Everybody have a great day. Thanks, and I'll see everybody next week.